Hi, Graham here from Graham RC. Another beautiful day here in the UK. So I'm out in the sunshine with my rival MT8. I'm going to see how far I can push this before it breaks. I've got a lot of upgrades on order and I'm quite excited to see, one, what this truck's going to do before I do the upgrades, and two, what it's like after. Let's do this. Oh, must have taken a big bounce then. Still alive. I've zip tied the spoiler. Still alive. I've zip tied the wheelie bar. Let's see how long it lasts this time round. Oh, tumble. It's alive. I turned the punch up a little bit as well. So we're now 7 of 9. So, see what that does to the air control. It's a little bit more lively. Oh, that's lively. Oh, that moves differently in the air. Some good tumble action going. Haven't got much more than that though. Oh, that was a tough one. Oh, that's the back broken. She looks a bit wonky. Oh, that was a hard one. That was a hard one. So, have I lost the body pin? That sucks a little bit, but not the end of the world. But that was a hard landing, that one. Hard landing. We good? We live. Ah, he's having a mare. He's having a mare. She's definitely got a little bit more something about her now. I'm really good at crashing this truck. Oh. Baby jump there. Oh. Oh, recovered. That was close. I have always got the old faithful water jump because I'm not afraid to oh, off we break. That wheelie bar's a mess, look. Oh, she's lively. Oh, yes. Lively. Oh, yes. Bit of a It bit a bit. Oh dear. Let's send her on her merry way. Push. For all the hate this truck gets, I tell you, so far, it's I got a broken wheelie bar because I can't drive. And the worst thing about this truck, on my truck, shall I say, not the truck, is my body. There we go, I'm starting to get a feel for it now. I think we've lost the other body pin. Let's go to another location. Hello. Hello. It's not for you, mate. What is it? Go on, good boy. Go on. She's alright. I'm kind of used to it. It's like the ultimate dog toy. That is a lively old truck today. So those that have oh, that was close, that was close. I didn't see that. Where was my seat holes? Let's find out. And the answer is, it's still on. Got to have a little bit of a splash. Still holding. Just got to try and not do. What did he say? Just got to try and not do a backflip. Too tempting. I like my backflips. Who doesn't like a backflip? That was not intended front flip. That was quite a send, that. What have we got? Is she still alive? Yes, of course. Ooh. This truck is quite mighty, actually. Go. So, to come up here today, I thought I'd get a lifeguard on duty. So, anything I drive out of, as far as I'm concerned, ow, throttle not brake, that was silly, wasn't it? Anything I can drive out of is a completed jump for me, even if it rolls. So, that was silly. It lives. Whoops, bush. It lives. Oh, sorry for the lack of commentary, guys. Actually, you're probably a bit happier than I am about lack of commentary. Yeah, sorry for the lack of commentary. I'm just enjoying myself. Gotta keep remembering I've got a little bit of drag brake on. Every time I let off, oh, there it is. Oh, that could have hurt. Can't wait to get this thing upgraded, honestly. Oh, pardon me. What do you pick up? Wow, she got some power. Not really helping myself clean it, am I? She's really, oh, tumble. She's really loose on these tyres. Wow, she's, can't put the power down, she's slippy. Okay, that was deeper than I thought. Lucky for the waterproofing. So, what did we find out about the Rival MT8? I haven't managed to fully destroy it. It's still going, despite, as you've seen, some quite heavy landings. So I can't wait to see what it's like upgraded if I can't break it pretty much stock. So the damage report, the lost 3 body pins. The body's pretty shot, the front half of it's all nicely split and the back's all pulled through the body pin posts. Despite my valiant attempts, wheelie bar, zip ties is not one for a wheelie bar, especially if you start backflipping or doing some heavy landings on the back end. But no, I'm thoroughly happy with the MT8 and I still don't know why it's getting quite so much hate. But I'm going to do some wrenching on the MT8. It's getting upgraded. Going to be MT8 EXB. I've been Grum from Grum RC. Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, just so you can keep up to date with all my latest content. Catch you later.